again, this is going to come down to risk to reward. This was the channel right there. And right here, I'm going to get out. Costing me $9. But again, the profit was to be made right here, wasn't it? This was the long to here to here. That was your money. And you knew already to get out once we broke through here, right? Yep. And there it goes popping again. But again, I'm in so small here. There's just no risk to this, but at least you guys are getting to see it dance. Now check this out. See the way that this got pushed back down here, but it rode right back up? That's actually bullish because that should have been pushed seller should have started to kick in here. So that's actually bullish. So if this was a live event, I would be in it deeper only because this is still bullish. It keeps getting pushed down to this level right here. This will be the new channel. See it right here. And then when it touches here, I'll add in again. And when it pops, I collect my money. So if this is going to create the channel here, even though it's small, listen, every pop, if I'm buying down here on the bottom, even this, 1,000 shares, I can make $20 every time it pops, 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 pops 5 times. There it goes. That's $100, right? So and there it goes. There's profit. Oh, but anyways, you guys see what I mean? It's just these little quick movements, and look at what it keeps doing. Keeps coming down, keeps popping up, keeps coming down, and then it keeps popping up. So buyers are holding this up, even though we're getting this selling pressure. You see these wicks? This is selling pressure. There's somebody in here selling this. But do you see how it's staying high instead of, right? It should have came up, pulled back, sell off. You see how it's still up here? There it goes. There's your payday. I'll take it. Oops, and I missed it. Made $1.50 or whatever. But do you guys see right there what I was talking about? This is still strong because they could not sell it off and continue the selling. Does everybody see how that worked? Yeah, because it started to form a new one, even though it was small right here. So it popped up, pulled back. And because I was so small, I wasn't worried about it. And then it popped up, pulled back, and there it goes. See? And there's your payday. Did everybody make money?